Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, we're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures are trading higher right now by 6.5 points to 20.85 and 3/4 per contract. Yesterday, we saw a pretty flat trading day on very, very light volume. I would expect today to be pretty light volume after the first couple of hours, but today is options expiration, so we could get some volume kicking up at the end of the day when settlement kicks in. So again, we'll see how this all plays out, but nonetheless, we have a lot of stocks in the news to talk about. And the first one we're going to start off with today is Cabela's, CAB. There's a rumor that Bass Pro Shops is going to buy the company. I don't know if it's true or not. The Bass Pro Shops CEO is on CNBC today, so we'll see what happens coming out of that. But either way, I'm seeing a fair amount of resistance around the $46 level, so keep that on the radar today, but we'll be watching that one. Next one on my list here is going to be Autodesk, ADSK. Right now, the stock is trading at $60.01, closed at $62.39. I don't have a great level here for Autodesk at the moment, but a level that would interest me would be around the $55 level, 55.5. If it got down there, we'll look at it. We'll look at that once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You get to see our desktop live. You get to see everything that we're doing. Get to trade right alongside of us, live time. And again, just take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. All right, next one we're going to take a look at here is going to be Intuit. INTU is their ticker symbol here. Stock is trading nicely higher. Closed at $97.42, trading at 106.70. I'm going to give this one the upside bias here to 108. I think that's where we could probably stall out, but the trend is up. I would not be looking to short it. I think ultimately this stock can still go a little bit higher, but again, around 108 you will hit some pretty decent overbought conditions. So again, that's really all I'm seeing for today, but I can't rule out that the stock won't trade a little bit higher. If you own it, trail your stop loss. I wouldn't be looking to short it right off the bat. Let's take a look at the next one here, which is Abercrombie & Fitch. This is a big retailer, especially for teens. Stock right now is trading at $22.52. Did trade above the $23.50 level a little while ago. Closed at $19.49. Again, in my opinion, around $22.50 to $23 is a ton of resistance. If we get this stock up to around $25, I think it can be a fade short. So keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. We will be looking at this one when the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at WSM, which is Williams-Sonoma. This is trading at $64.40, closed at $66.20, so a little bit of down ticking. Only level that really interests me would be around $59. So if it got down there, we'd look at it. If not, we're going to leave it alone. Let's take a look at Zoe's Kitchen, and right now that is trading at $30.20, closed at $31.88. Not much we're going to do there. Take a look at the next one here is Foot Locker. This would possibly be a gap play today. Right now it is trading at $64.64, so it has come down quite a bit. Did close at $61.53. Did trade as high as $67, which I was hoping to see. So again, we'll watch this one, but I do have gap levels for this. But it has pulled back over the last, over the last 30 minutes. So we'll see how this one plays out going forward. Next one I want to take a look at is WDAY, which is Workday. And this stock is trading down a little bit, closed at $84.30. Now trading at $78.99. Little minor support around the 75 level. And then I'm looking at 73. I do like 73 on the radar today. If it gets down there, we may look to play that. So again, we have a lot of names out here. Let's take a look at ROST. This is Ross Stores. Stock right now is trading at $49.50. Closed at $46.20. I'm going to give Ross the upside bias to 51.25 to possibly 52. When it gets there, we may look at that as a potential fade depending on the time of day. So that's something we want to watch. Let's take a look at MENT. This is Mentor Graphics. Stock closed at $27.78. It is now trading at $19.90. This is getting hammered to the downside. I am seeing some support around $18. So again, do not jump in front of this one. This one can come down. Gets down to around $18. it might be worth a little bit of a play there. This is a light volume name. Rarely does it trade a million shares. On average, trades around 500,000 a day. So it can overshoot levels. It can go lower than most people think. So be a little bit careful here with Mentor, MENT, on the session. All right, we covered a lot of stocks today. Let's get into the gold market. Gold futures are trading up $2.80. Gold had a good little pop yesterday. The dollar today is up as well, so I don't think we're going to get a big run in gold. As for the crude market, crude is trading down 20 cents to 41.52 a barrel on spot. And again, stronger dollar today, and you can see here the dollar making a good little move. So dollar's holding up, not breaking down, and again, that keeps commodity prices in check. Generally, stronger dollar, usually you'll have weaker commodity prices. All right, with that being said, everybody, again, take a 7-day free trial if you haven't done so. Come on over to InTheMoneyStocks.com, intraday stock chat. We're going to try to have at least one gap play. We may have a couple more today. I'm going to do a few more in a moment, and we'll see how they play out. But we got a lot of stocks in the news, a lot of stuff moving around. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, great weekend, and we will see you on the charts.